So you say you don't know HVAC. Well, know this, it's a great career path with a chance to earn $47,000 a year starting out, plus other amazing benefits, all without taking on college debt. What does HVAC mean anyway? HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. You know, all the stuff that keeps homes and buildings comfortable. And HVAC techs are the people who keep it all running smoothly. At Estes Services, we pay you to learn on the job with our Tech and Install Builders program. Young adults from all education levels are eligible. Working with Estes Services, you'll enjoy a range of comprehensive and competitive employee benefits, such as medical, dental, life insurance, paid days off, healthy work-life balance, 401k, flexible schedules, and much more. Once you're certified, you can make $47,000 a year, and the top 10 HVAC techs make more than $76,000 a year. Plus, the HVAC trade gives you lots of opportunities to move up. Not bad for a job where you get to make people happy and comfy in their homes every day. And since there will always be homes and businesses to heat and cool, there will always be jobs for Estes Services HVAC techs. Learn more about our Tech and Install Builders programs at estesair.com/careers or call 404-366-9620.